Let's see what's inside the Shore 920 moisture meter package. Open it up and we'll see, first of all, we have a scale to weigh out your sample. We have this nice little container that currently has a weight in it to calibrate your scale if you need it. We have this load cell, which is used to drop the actual grain into the grain tester. And then we have our moisture tester right here. So let's bring this out and let's do some testing. We'll just turn it on. So this runs on batteries, but we also have an adapter in the package that you can use if you want to plug it in somewhere. And we actually have this corn ready that was analyzed at the lab today. So this was tested on a commercial grain tester. Came out at about 15.9% moisture. So we're going to see how close we can get on here. So obviously we're testing corn today, but as you can see, there are a bunch of different options. So you can test soybeans on here, barley. There's some wheats, I believe, on here. You can go through there and pick whatever you want, but today we're going to be doing corn. So we're going to go to corn and we're going to press test. And what we're going to do is we're going to take our load cell. There's your adapter. Make sure these flaps are up so you're not spilling your grain everywhere. We're going to load this, which is already measured out to 250 grams. So this was going to say load your 250 grams and then push test. So we're going to put this on top right here and we're going to load it up and then we're going to press test. So this will take a few seconds, but we're looking around a 15.9 is what we measured on the commercial tester today. So we're looking for a 15.9. So there's your temperature. And we got a 15.9. So just to make sure, I'm going to actually load this back in here into our load cell. And I think we're going to go test it again because we don't want to bring this to the dryer and have to pay extra to get our grain dried. So we're going to make sure it's exactly what we want it to be. So we're going to load it and we're going to press test. And now we wait. So we got 15.9 on our first test, looking for another 15.9. $77.2 and 15.9. Looks like this corn is ready to take to the dryer.